Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you some facts about the Kaba. The Kaba means cube in Arabic. The Kaba's cloth is made of silk and cotton. Every 8 Zul-Hijjah, the Kaba's cloth is changed. Whenever we pray, the prayers are direct to the Kaaba. The Kaaba is. We see that throughout history, the Kaaba has been modified a lot. Today, the Kaaba is a cubical structure unlike any other religious building. Inside the pre-Islamic Kaaba, there was the black stone and idols. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ cleaned the Kaaba from any idol. Prophet Ibrahim salam and Ismail salam constructed the Kaaba, and the Quraysh created the pre-Islamic. The Kaaba is located in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. Muslims from all over the world come to the courtyard of Masjid al-Haram that surrounds the Kaaba to perform Hajj. The Kaaba was once a rectangular roofless building. The Kaaba is 15 meters tall and 10.5 meters on each side. A door was raised up on the Kaaba so that intruders or flood water couldn't get inside. The door is now made of solid gold. I hope you like my facts about Kaaba. Bye!